Guided meditation for healing and peace with belly breathing. During this guided meditation, you will practice belly breathing. It's also known as diaphragmatic breathing, while being gently led into a state of deep relaxation. As you settle in, affirmations for healing and peace will be narrated. These will gently settle into your mind, supporting your inner healing process. There will also be moments of quiet reflection, allowing you time to think your own thoughts or simply be. The purpose of this meditation is to help you release anxiety, panic, and stress, and to guide your mind toward calmness, safety, and renewal. As Robert Collier once said, one comes to believe whatever one repeats to oneself sufficiently often, whether the statement be true or false. So even if you feel unsure right now, by repeating these affirmations daily, your subconscious mind will begin to accept them, and you will start to experience real change. Belly breathing practice begins. Let's begin with belly breathing. This simple technique has many powerful benefits. It lowers cortisol. The stress hormone reduces heart rate, and blood pressure helps with PTSD symptoms. Supports the body's natural healing. Take a moment to sit or lie down comfortably. Give your shoulders a few gentle shrugs to release any tension. Let your body know it's safe to relax now. Now, gently close your eyes. Place one hand on your heart and the other on your belly. Breathe in through your nose. You should feel your belly rise, not your chest. That's how you know you're doing it right. Now purse your lips like you're sipping through a straw and breathe out slowly. As you exhale, press your hand gently down on your belly. Each inhale and exhale should last around 2 seconds. Let's practice together. Inhale. 2. Exhale. Again, inhale 2. Exhale 2. Keep going in your own rhythm for a few more breaths. Now let go of any structure and let your body settle into its natural breathing pattern. Imagine yourself sitting in a peaceful, quiet room. Outside, you hear the wind gently moving through the trees. Allow this peaceful scene to help you relax. Starting from your toes, begin to stretch and soften each part of your body. Let go of tension in your calves. Relax your thighs. Let warmth spread upward, softening your hips, your stomach, your chest. Let any stress or discomfort dissolve like mist. If you notice tension in your shoulders or jaw, gently release it, or imagine warmth flowing into those areas. Now, bring your focus to your breath, either through your nose or your mouth. Just observe it. As you breathe and relax, allow the following affirmations to drift into your awareness. You may repeat them silently or just listen. Affirmations for healing and peace. I am well. Things are getting better every day. I am calm. I am hopeful. I live in the expectation of great things. I'm healing all the time. It's here and now. My body is healing. At this moment, health is happening in my body and mind. I allow myself this time for healing. Now, visualize a warm green light bathing your body from head to toe. This healing light gently seeps into every cell, wrapping you in a comforting glow. It feels like a soft blanket around you, safe, soothing, protective. As you rest in this space, continue to absorb these powerful affirmations. I am rebalancing now. I am re-energizing now. There is harmony between my mind and body. I give myself up to peace and healing energy. I feel wellness in every part of my body and mind. I rest in comfort and calm. Surrender to tranquility and gentleness. For the next few moments, you are welcome to create your own affirmations or simply relax in silence. Let yourself gently rest in the light, warmth, and peace of this moment. Returning to the present moment in a moment, I will count down from 10 to 1. When I reach 1, you will gently awaken feeling calm, refreshed, and grounded. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2.1. Open your eyes. Take a deep breath in. It out. Stretch gently, smile softly, and carry this sense of peace and wellness into the rest of your day.